Now you can see that the water is just filtered out, the water along with the salt has moved into the beaker and the sand particles are almost stick into it, right. So that means we have just this thing separated sand on the filter paper, right. So you can see that the sand particles are just sticking to the filter paper, they are just separated from the mixture, right. So now the second the second thing we have to find it, because this water solution is not pure water, it is actually a salt solution containing salt. So we need to separate the salt as well. So because as the sand is separated, now what the technique you will be using to separate the salt. So we know that when the salt solution is heated, the water has a tendency to get evaporated. It can form the vapor leaving behind the salt. So this is the second method I will be using. That is, the first was the filtration followed by the evaporation. So what I am doing, I will be taking a burner, I will just keep the things aside which we do not need. So I am just putting a tripod stand, right. We have a tripod stand. I am placing a wire gauge, because wire gauge has to be placed whenever we need to heat something, right. And I am just placing a spirit lamp as well. Just to adjust its size, I have kept something below it like this, and I am just taking this mixture into the china dish and just keeping it and just lighting the lamp. It is actually a spirit lamp, because otherwise if it has been a gas, so it has been taken burn very easily, because it make use of spirit, right. So we have just lighted it, right. The flame is just blowing off. So we have just lighted it. See, we start heating this china dish which contain a solution, a salt solution. So what is happening when it is getting heated, the vapors, you can see the vapors rising up, the water is rising up leaving behind the sand, because water has a tendency to get evaporated. So what we are going to see